Are you also tired of wearing the same hairstyle every day? College, office, home, or casual outing? We want something easy, quick, and cute, right? Let's start. 1. Braid 2 side sections and cross them over a wavy ponytail to create a chic X pattern that hides the elastic. Finish with a touch of hair oil for a polished, high-shine look. 2. Pull a half-up ponytail halfway through an elastic to form a loop, then split it into 2 sides. Tuck the remaining hair tail through the center to create a bow shape and secure it with a star-shaped clip. 3. Take 2 thin sections from the front, create tight braids on each side, and secure them with elastics. Gather the remaining hair into a high bun, leaving the braids and face-framing strands loose for a trendy, effortless look. To create this look, secure a top ponytail and hide a small claw clip underneath its base. Then, gather all your hair over the clip to achieve instant dramatic height and volume. 5. To achieve this effortless look, section off the top half of your hair and secure it with a small claw clip. This creates a quick, voluminous half-up style that highlights your natural waves while keeping your hair neatly in place. 6. To achieve this elegant look, repeatedly flip sections of hair through each other to create a twisted, braid-like effect down the length of your hair. Once finished, secure the bottom with a scrunchie and gently pull at the loops to add volume and a soft, textured finish. 7. To achieve this elegant look, cross 2 sections of hair over each other and wrap them together to form a low ponytail. Secure the base with an elastic for a simple, sophisticated twist on a classic style. 8. Cross 2 side braids over a half-up ponytail, tucking the ends through the center to hide the elastic. This creates a secure, layered twist that adds elegant detail to wavy, open hair. 9. To achieve this effortless look, create 2 small parallel braids on one side of your head and secure them with a sleek barrette. This adds a subtle, bohemian detail that perfectly complements loose, wavy hair. 10. To achieve this sleek look, cross 2 side sections over a low ponytail and tuck the ends through to hide the elastic. This simple technique creates a sophisticated, layered finish that elevates a classic ponytail in seconds. Which hairstyle are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. If this helped you, subscribe, and share with your bestie. Bye.